generally speaking, we have to put on the tefillin first. They're not tefillin, the talit first. We wear the talit first, and the tefillin after the talit, because we move from the more frequent mitzvah, that is the mitzvah, that is the talit, to the less frequent one, that is the tefillin. We wear talit every day, but we don't rub tefillin every day. It's in the holidays or all those days that we don't wear tefillin. So, but we put talit, so it's more frequent to put on talit. But there is a question: what happens if you are the custom is for us Sephardim to start wearing the talit when we become bar mitzvah. But the Ashkenazim, it's not like that. The Ashkenazim, they start wearing the talit when they get married. So what happens if an Ashkenazi has to wear a talit for, I don't know, he's going to be the Hazan, he needs to put on first the talit, or he puts the tefillin. So in this case, they put the tefillin first, and then they put the talit, because they don't have the obligation of wear a talit. What happens if you accidentally, let's say you were distracted, and you sit and you put on your tefillin, and then you say, wow, I forgot my talit. What you should do? You put the talit on. You don't take the tefillin off and then put the talit and then put the tefillin again. No, you already put the tefillin, so you don't have to. And you can continue with your day as normally, because although Halacha cares about order, but also cares more about not returning a small mistake into an unnecessary embarrassment or disruption. We care about order, but it's a little mistake. We go on. Bezrat Hashem.